Committee on Good Governance, I move to pass a resolution concurring the appointment of Attorney Christopher Tripoli as Provincial Legal Officer of the Provincial Government of Surigao del Norte, as requested by Honorable Provincial Governor Robert Lyndon Barbers. I so move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion duly seconded for the passage of a resolution concurring the appointment of Attorney Christopher P. Tripoli as the Provincial Legal Officer of the Provincial Government of Surigao del Norte, as requested by the Honorable Governor Robert Lyndon S. Barbers. The floor is open for discussions. For the information of this August body, Attorney Tripoli is here with us, and he is very much welcome to use the rostrum if he wants to say something.
As a matter of tradition and practice, all of our department head candidates whom we are concurring are given time to introduce themselves and convince the members of the Sangguniang Panagbigan of the choice of the governor in his appointment, Mr. Chair. So I move, Mr. Chair, that we give time to Attorney Christopher P. Tripoli for his purpose.
Can we have a motion for the suspension of the rules?
Yes, I move for the suspension of the rules.
Any second? Rules is suspended. The floor is yours, Attorney Chris, to convince this August body for your concurrence.
My respect to the Honorable Presiding Officer, Vice Governor Lukiaki, and also to all the members of this August body. I'm not really here to convince you, but first off, I just want to thank the Honorable Governor for reaffirming his trust and confidence in me as the Provincial Legal Officer. As you know, I served at the pleasure of the Governor, and I'm just very happy to continue serving under the banner of Responsable, Licon, Sincero, May Barugan, at Panerbisyo. As you know, this is not just any kind of service. This is a branded service. That's RLSB. So, I also want to thank the Sangguniang Panlalawigan in advance for concurring my appointment. So, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. For the record, Mr. Chair, I know very well Attorney Christopher Tripoli as a very competent lawyer practitioner, and his track records could persuade everybody that is indeed entitled for the position your honors calls for a person in the likes of Attorney Christopher P. Tripoli. He has been, I have known him in the first term as the governor. He served as already a provincial legal officer in an ad interim capacity, because his appointment was not submitted for concurrence in the previous term, Mr. Chair. So I am very fortunate to be one of those who will be confirming him for such a position of trust and confidence of the government. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. Any more discussion? If there are none, thank you, Attorney Chris, for your presence, and congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
Can we have a motion for the statement of the rules?